Those two are controllers for the heater. That's the switches for all the electrics. That is the water fuel tank. I press that button and the needle will go up. No, it's the top button. You can see there's not a lot of water in there at the moment. Yeah. And that's it really. Got lights, got these speakers that don't do nothing because they're disconnected for some weird reason, but someone didn't want them. A few warning letters. But anyway, that's our exhaust for the fire. Goes out there at the roof. So no leaks, no nothing. Great little van this. And this is all pucker. All working well, pardon me. Yeah. So, we'll put our curved thingy back in wherever I put it. Here we are. That goes back on there. There we go. Do not store in there. Because you can sort out. That's a table. That's about it in there. But a little hiccup is in here. We've got to reconnect those pipes. Because I took all this out. And I put it all back in. I'm going to put that bit in yet. The shower holder. So what I'm going to do next is decide which way round I'm going to have my taps. I'll probably have it a normal way round, won't I? Mrs. might get a, you know. But she's in good order. No problems at all. I can't turn my pump on because obviously this is not connected, it just pumps water out. But once I get this up and running properly, I'll turn on the immersion heater. In fact, it's supposed to work on gas, so we can have some fun with that. Right, so I am going to have to pause you while I curse and fiddle around and get that to fit in that hole, and then I'll give you an update in a minute because I've got all the bits here. That's no, I've got them bits, and I've left a little bag of screws in the house, so I'm going to have to go and get those. Screws and caps to fit in there to hold it down. So I'm going to connect that up in a minute, and then we're going to attack the fridge. But that's nice on your back, that is nice and warm. Whoops, I think I've left my thingy running. That's not going to do the car battery any good. We better unplug it. There we go. Right. Needs a tidy up in here. And a good scrub from floor to ceiling. Which it will get. Every inch will be scrubbed clean. Ready for our little jaunt. Not joint, jaunt. I'm going up to leak. That should be nice. Cooker needs a wash. I've been driving around in this and quite a bit because I don't feel these should be sitting around. Might have to get that checked out. Still on green, just, but it's there. Anti-stink, still works. It actually smells quite nice, that one, I must admit. Right, and that's it for now. I am going to make a start in trying to put this together without dropping any bits, and we can give this a bit of a wash then. So it should look nice when we're done. Just the job, as they say. I'm not putting a curtain up in there because I think it's a bit pointless. For one, and the curtain's a bit, yeah. I might wash it and see if it can come up, but I think I'll just buy a new one. Get a more fancy one to fit in there. Something that'll go with the decor. Right, I'm going to leave you to it now. I'm going to pause you. I better switch this light off first. Otherwise it's just going to kill my battery. I'll talk to you shortly. Hey. Yep. Hello there. I'll put it back together. I didn't need to take it all out. But it was nice to have a nose behind, see what's on there and how good the timber was. And it's all good. I've been playing with it. It comes out. Turn on that one. Pull on. And we've got water. Uh-oh. You know what's happening now, don't you? I'm running out of water. I played with it too much. Oh dear. What's that? I'll have to put the hose pipe on it. The hose pipe on it. And all you do to put the pipe in is just push it in. Like that. And then the hot water. That worked good for a while and then it stopped flowing up. That's got a little tank underneath the seat, so that will run a bit longer. And there's the boat on. Oh dear, I think we have an issue. Never mind. That's the hot water. I can hear the tank gurgling. Hear it? It's going empty. I'll have to put some water in the old goat. It's good to empty them out now and again anyway. The shower unit seems to be working alright. Toilet. Oh yeah, I've got to flush that. You can turn it a bit more. Whee! That works as well. That's always a good sign, isn't it? We have connection. That works. We are now officially out of water. Never mind. Turn that off. Oh, I've got to put the little caps back on there, haven't I? Up a days. There they are. Got some new ones in there, so I'll put them on. This is hard to do. Teeth. Yay! There you grab hold of one of those. Where's the camera? Yeah, one of those. And you stick it in the hole. No, it's all wet now, well. I've got wet feet. Okay. A bit windy out there. You just put them in the hole, give them a little push. Voila! Done! Oh, we've got to do that now. Put it in the hole. Voila, done. to oik them out. Just get a little screwdriver, put something in the plug hole, and away you go. Because if you don't, you're guaranteed to drop one down the plug hole. And you really don't want to take the tanks off the bottom of these things. And they do come off. They will on this one because I've oiled everything. But there we are. That was busted when I bought it and now it's fixed. Yay, brilliant. Now then, I think we're done. In here. Now we've got to attack the fridge. I shall pull that out and give you an idea how do you undo. Screw there, take that out, there's another two, and there's some under here, and anyway, out it comes. But you've got to be careful, because you only pull it out a little bit, and you've got to take the gas supply off, which you've got to make sure is switched off over here. You've got to make sure the gas supply is off, otherwise you get fumigated. And at the moment, I've got that lovely heater running. That's doing a good job, that is. And there's the new bit that's got to go on. That is the safety side. That end heats up. And then it does something to the gas inside and switches something else off. So, yeah, that's it really. And that's universal one, which means it'll fit an awful lot of stuff. Got all the bits in it, which is handy. So that's my next challenge. I don't know if I'll finish this tonight though. My back's gone again. It's most annoying. Right, let's see what we can do, eh? Right, while I tackle this, I'm going to go offline a bit because it's very hard to do, and but each stage I show you what's what. So if I pause this,